Is your baby a secret genius? Sometimes the most annoying habits are actually signs of massive brain growth. Here are 5 signs your baby is developing faster than you think. Number 1. The drop test. Does your baby keep dropping their spoon? It's not a game to annoy you, it's physics. They are learning object permanence and cause and effect. If they look down to see where it went, their brain is hitting a major milestone. Number 2. The copycat. If your baby tries to mimic your facial expressions or sounds, their mirror neurons are firing. This is the foundation for empathy and language later in life. They aren't just mocking you, they're hardwiring their social brain. Number 3. The spit bubbles. It looks messy, but blowing raspberries is a workout for the lips and tongue. This vocal play is a direct precursor to saying their first words. The more bubbles, the more they are prepping to talk. Number 4. The pincer grasp. Watch their fingers. If they've moved from grabbing with their whole palm to using just their thumb and forefinger, their fine motor skills are exploding. This is a huge leap in brain-to-hand coordination. Number 5. The sleep cry. Does your baby let out a random sharp cry in the middle of the night, but they're still fast asleep? Don't rush in. This is often just a confusional arousal. It happens as their brain transitions between deep and light sleep cycles. It's a sign their neurological system is learning to connect those sleep stages. If you wake them, you actually break the cycle. Every baby is unique, but these patterns are more common than you think. If you found this helpful, I've put together a full playlist of the First Year Survival Guide right here on the screen. Click it now to keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.